a graphic novel called Sandcastle that my girls gave me for a Father's Day gift.
We're such a tight-knit family, so getting to do what we love together and share ideas just feels like the most natural kind of next step. What I love about all of his films, and particularly this one, is that they represent the time in his life, so kind of the trials and tribulations of fatherhood and these kind of things. So as I move through and as I get older and get to watch them, I'm understanding how he was seeing the world in these different ways at each different stage of his life.
He's kind of a master in the way that he puts the images together and the story and all the elements, and he's very much in control of every element of the film and of the audience too. What happened to her?
Her body has decomposed.
But she just died.
My favorite part is always the twist. I've seen Sixth Sense and The Visit. Yeah, they're really good, and I love every little suspense and the creepiness of it.
Hey, have you seen my children?
Mom? I'm right here.
I hope that people check everything they've ever seen before at the door. You know, this is a totally different, totally exciting, totally new kind of almost like avant-garde experiment, and I just feel like really lucky to be a part of it because Knight is such a genius, and it just became such a loving family making it.
International cast, we came from New Zealand, Australia, America, Luxembourg, Mexico, London.
Interesting enough, it felt like making theater. It was like a theater play almost, you know, because of the making of the movie and how everything is always in frame. So we almost worked like a theater group on a stage.
Watching the film for the first time, you know, all the things that we thought of and all the things that I kind of imagined were going to happen or whatever, we're going to see them how they've been put together and hoping that there's some alchemy.